Giving us this opportunity to be here today. I usually say something. There are so many people out there. Could have been anybody, but the office of the president of West African Youth Council decided that they would choose me. I want to say a big thank you for recognizing my efforts in the promotion and preservation of culture and traditions of my people. And like you rightly said, it is not the first time that I'm being made an ambassador. I am a sitting ambassador at the African Union ECOSOC. I represent Nigeria at the African Union. And there's no other work that I do there but to promote the African culture. I have been doing this for several years with the help of Olodumare, the Orishas, my parents, and the very good fathers that I have and mothers that surround me, and the good people, all over, scattered all over, in Nigeria, in Africa, and in the diaspora. I want to say thank you to everybody, because I wouldn't have been able to do it without everybody's support. So, and I want to say today, I want to make a big promise to everybody that I will not relent in the works of my ancestors, because it is the work of my ancestors. From my citation, you will hear that my great-grandfather was the Oni Ajagun Ademilui of Ile-Ife, and my mom is also from the Great Benin Kingdom, a princess whose grandfather is the king, Akenzua of Benin Kingdom. My father's father is from Isalegongo in Lagos Island, and we are known for promoting and preserving culture. And I thank Olodumare. I am not just promoting the culture, I am a custodian. I am a custodian of the Yoruba culture, because I am strictly